And the second news of the day is Ilya Sutskever, who was one of the co-founder of OpenAI, who resigned last month from OpenAI, has started a new company called SSI, Safe Super Intelligent Inc. And the way they explain it, the company has one product and one goal: to build safe, super intelligent system. Now Ilya is one of the brightest minds in the field of AI. He did his PhD under Geoffrey Hinton, and Geoffrey Hinton is known as the godfather of AI, and who is very cautious. Like Geoffrey Hinton resigned from Google almost a year back, citing deep concerns about the implications of intelligent AI systems. So he holds a very kind of cautious view, and a bit of pessimistic view as well, that AI will kind of result in destruction of humanity at a certain stage, to which a lot of other top folks in the AI field disagree. But nonetheless, Geoffrey Hinton, one of the rock stars, and his student Ilya is another rock star. And I've seen Ilya's videos. I've seen a lot of them. And I've also seen other people's videos who are kind of leading the development of AI. And I can say that from his videos, it's very apparent that Ilya is very cautious and not very ambitious, but more cautious and safe when it comes to his thinking. Doesn't seem like very ambitious compared to very cautious when it comes to AI and development of intelligent systems. Geoffrey Hinton himself, in many of his videos and lectures, has said that AI can harm humans, but I have a hope, because there is someone like Ilya out there. So this is the regard with which he holds his student Ilya, and many people in the industry also have similar view when it comes to him. So, well, it's an interesting news, and I think it is much needed, because most of the big tech, including OpenAI now, and then Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Google, everyone are after AGI, and because they are public companies, they are driven by revenues and profits, because they need to show the result at the end of the year or at the end of the day. And then here comes another startup, which is not limited to this limited thinking of making profits and revenue, but really with a goal of building a safe, super intelligent system. So this was very much needed in my opinion, and let's see how it goes. The race to AGI and the race to AI has become even further spicier now, and it would be interesting to see how things unfold. But nonetheless, as we have often said in the video, each one of us need to be aware of what is happening in the field of AI, because we are kind of parents to this new species we are giving birth to. Alright, so yes, keep yourself updated, and probably you can follow Ilya on Twitter. Check out videos, ILYA SUKTETVEAR, something like that. So you just Google Ilya and OpenAI, you'll get it. Really worth watching his videos, some of them at least. Alright, yes.